Hey, this is WW Customs. We got a 1972 Gran Torino here. I've got the fenders. I think I have the hood, but I'm not positive. We're going to take a look around this thing. It's a Q code car, bill of sale only. It came with a 351 Cleveland. We can't get the trunk open. We'll do our best to stick our hand down in the back, show it to you. Hubs will be around tomorrow, and we'll see if he can get the trunk open for us. Let's look at the inside. We haven't got it cleaned out yet, so it looks a little rough. It's pouring down rain here. And the carpet, we'll try to peel this back once it stops raining. We just took a break from the rain for a moment. I don't have any other parts than what you see here. Let me see if I can get a video of the underside of this door. Then I'll try to take some pictures of it too, but let's try that. I don't know. Let's see. It's a little tight squeeze here. Let's see what that looks like. I'll try to send some pictures also. We have to navigate our way around. Stick my hand in this hole right here and see if we get a picture of the trunk. It looks pretty good from what I can tell. Like I said, we'll get it open tomorrow. I'll try to add to the video. It's a pretty solid car, no motor, no transmission. We've got 3 1972s, 2 Q cars. We've got 1 1973, 2 72s, 1 73. One of the 72s has a 429 in it. One has a 351 Cleveland. It has a title. This is the other one that's a Q car. It does not have a title. Nope. Let me see if I can get this door open. You see how tight it is here, what we're working with. Oh gosh, that one's, let's see. It's locked, I think. We can't get that one open. Again, Hubs will look at that tomorrow. But there's a hole right here. Not sure what it looks like on the inside, but we'll check it out. I'll try to post the stock numbers of the other Torinos we have in the description, so if you're interested in one or more, we can make you a deal. We've got transport services available. Come see us, WW Customs. This is the fender right here, and I think this piece right here goes with it too. I gotta locate the hood. It's got the hinges on it there still. Let's see if I can find that other one. I think it's over here. We're trying to get it all put together, but it's a challenge. It's tight, as you can see. We got little, and it's been raining. How are we gonna get in there? Go up that other way. We gotta go back around this way. We talk about a lot of parts in a small area. That's what we got. A lot of different stuff. Mustang parts, hoods, Ford Mustang. There we go. I think that's a Toyota hood right there. Here we go. This is the other one. Zoom that thing out. The hood's around here somewhere. We'll find it. Let us know if you're interested.